I'm Dorothy, the organizer, and we all are traveling these days. Many of us go by airplane, and I advise creating a travel zone. What that means is collecting all the items from around the house that might serve you well while you're traveling. Here are some things that I collect as I travel. I always keep one kit with me that has all of my travel jacks for different countries. I keep everything in one, an eye mask, my earphones, everything. I just keep it in a mesh bag like this. But when you have extras of things, you can just keep it in one zone. I keep it in a drawer. I'll show you in a second. But while you're traveling, maybe some warm slippers. All of these little bags can serve as a way to keep track of your jewelry while you're traveling. How about something that zips up so you can keep your earbuds in a small container? Don't forget to keep track of your stains on your clothes. You want to de-stain and can do something with, these happen to be Shout. Also, be sure to carry disinfectant wipes. These are easy to go, easy to pack, keep in your purse. Plastic bags are the best, especially for wet swimsuits when you're traveling. Eye masks and earplugs, definitely when you're on the plane. So this is everything I keep, along with what I call a tummy pack, which is where you keep track of your passport and money and you keep it underneath your shirt. That's it. Take all of this, put it in one single drawer, and it's your travel zone. I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and you can visit me at dorothytheorganizer.com.